Choosing the right affordable bathroom fixtures during budget-friendly home construction can cut costs without sacrificing durability or comfort. When you are building on a tight budget, focus on materials that balance initial price, longevity, and ease of maintenance. Acrylic tubs paired with fiberglass surrounds are lighter than cast iron, much cheaper to install, and resist chipping if you avoid abrasive cleaners and use a soft sponge. Vitreous china toilets with an efficient flush save water and typically last decades if you replace the flapper and fill valve when you notice weak flushing or running water. Single-handle faucets simplify installation, reduce leak points, and make temperature control easier for kids and older adults, and you can extend their life by cleaning mineral buildup on the aerator every few months. Prefabricated shower pans are a strong choice when you want a waterproof base at a fraction of the custom tile cost, and you just need to verify the subfloor is level and follow the manufacturer's instructions for the drain connection and mortar bed. For floors and wet walls, standard size ceramic tile, often 12 by 12 or 6 by 6, usually costs less per square foot, installs faster, and is easier to replace than unusual shapes or natural stone, especially if you buy common colors that are easy to match later. A big mistake is chasing trendy finishes or unusual fixture sizes that look great today but cost more to buy and repair. Instead, stick with simple shapes, common sizes, and finishes like brushed nickel or chrome that have plentiful replacement parts. Another issue is focusing only on the purchase price and ignoring lifetime costs such as water use and repairs, so always compare efficient flush toilets and quality faucets that reduce leaks and save on utility bills over time. Many people also overlook installation complexity and assume all products are equally easy to put in. To avoid surprise labor costs, choose fixtures that match existing plumbing locations, use standard connections, and come with clear step-by-step instructions that a competent contractor or experienced homeowner can follow. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier for homeowners to find local contractors who understand how to choose and install cost-effective, durable bathroom fixtures. On our site, contractors can showcase their skills and find new projects, and everyone can join our discussion community to share real-world tips, product experiences, and bathroom budgeting advice.